guys. Got some work to do today. Whoa, shit. Uh-oh, Grandpa's in the way. Off-road time. Hey, how you doing? Well, here's our project today. Hey guys, throw some of that water towards me. I could use some. Because it's too damn hot to work outside right now, and the engine's still hot. Oh, there's the sun. Sorry guys about the light there, but we have to pack up. Alright, we'll have to get going. Oh, those are not bad. I'm gonna save that baby for later. Not bad. Might not be as long as David's farm over there, but this is good. There's even a little street jump right there. And a little road right here. Alright. We'll be back later on, guys. I guess there will be a part 2 or whatever. Alright, temperature's down. Those are good candies. Note the time you saw previously. Well, let's get back to work on it. Much work I've been doing on the Ranchero, I might as well have a key. Well, right now I'm having trouble getting one of the spark plug wires out. These are these. She got me a long time ago. Man, I hate this engine. Plug goes in this way. It's my finger. This one probably goes in that way, I think. It goes that way. One of them, I don't know. Set at the right socket. We got a winner. I just need an extension. Maybe a custom one, maybe. Hope not. On the tripod now. Let's see if I can get this in. I hope you guys don't fall off the truck here. Let's see if I'll put it on this and I put it on something here. Well, if you do fall, it won't fall very far. Actually, let me adjust this. Let's see. I'm not very positive as you can see. Oh, you got the idea though. I think it's working. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it might be working. Let's reset. Nope, that won't work. I think it's coming out, guys. It's out. It don't look too bad. A little bit scored, which is normal. Probably for the rest of them too. It's on boring. Some Pep Boys. And stick it back in the block. Since I don't have no decent proper gauge with me right now, stuck these two. Plug right here. They have a little bit of resistance to it. So, even that's the way it was with the previous plug. I'm going to go with that for the rest of them. And I try to gap them every time I put them in. I don't seem to have my keys with me, so I don't have a gap gauge on me. As Corvair Wild Andrew says, Suburban. Uh-oh. No problem there. I'll figure it out somehow, like I always do. Oops, sorry guys. I always use this screwing it in by hand because I have a little bit of length when I want to tighten it up more, and I can have better control over it. Some might not agree, but this works for me fine. Do it on all my cars I work on. Let's flip this over. Oops. Uh-oh. Just stop you guys here. Alright, 1 down, 5 to go. On this beautiful shape 2.8 V6 with high miles on it. 231 780s. Can't calculate that myself, that mileage. But I need a drink. Yeah, I keep telling her it's got good mileage on it. It's in good shape. Most trucks like this one at the junkyard, you've seen them before, as I showed you. So, let's skip a few plugs with you guys.